Tulong kayo mga parang design na plano, kulay-kulay, ganito. O Mickey Mouse or nakaganon yung red, lahat ng red. Malamig doon? Malamig ba? Taas ba yun?
Malamig pa ng konti pero ngayon mainit doon.
Balik na tayo dito ha.
Sige, balik na.
The flowers look like emberlin.
Go this way na.
Is this it? I think that's it.
No, it's not. No, we are trying to. Oh, kaya tayo ng saging.
Bonggambit yan.
Pangsuman.
Guys, if you see this
Container?
yeah, if you see it,
What does it look like?
it's like there's like a big spike. No, it's not. It doesn't have. It has tiny spikes. So like it just looks like a normal plant, but it's like flat leaf like. It's not this one.
Skin.
Huh? It's thick. What's the snake skin?
No, it's not a snake. I saw it. It's like black.
Naku! Tina.
Why are we?
Ay, parang pizza ba to?
Go
Hindi.
here.
Pero
Dito masukan pre.
halika na.
Halika na.
Saan tayo pupunta na eh? Tanong natin baka pwede mo. Ano daw? Buti iba yung family members.
I have a favorite plant now.
Ang pasensyoso naman yung si May.
I have plant phobia now.
Family member din nakalagay sa kanya.
Ang family si May. Pero hindi.
Ay, nakita ako ha.
Hindi nga.
Seryoso ba?
Promise.
Halika na, malabas na tayo. Let's go na.
Halika na.
Kulay itim. Kulay itim.
Ano ba yun?
Plants now.
Red belly ba? Itim yung taas.
Naku, anong red belly? Nasa desierto kaya yun.
Saka may ano naman siguro sa bagay at your own night sports.
Mahirap pala magkaroon ng ganitong property.